Is this not the most adorable Christmas light you have ever seen? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Lapland Solar Santa light. Let's get into it. The Lapland Solar Santa light measures at 36 centimeters tall, 26 centimeters wide and 17 centimeters deep. This whimsical little Santa light comes with 2 meters of cable between the light and the leaf solar panel, and it's extremely lightweight. Let's have a look inside the box. So inside the box we've got the instructions, the mini leaf solar panel, and of course we've got the Santa light itself. Since this light pretty much comes fully assembled, let's unbox the mini leaf panel. In this box we have the stake, the USB cable, the wall mount and screws, the ball joint and screw cap, and of course the panel itself. The first thing you're going to need to do to set up this leaf panel is attach the ball joint and cap to the panel itself. Then depending on whether you want to stake your panel or wall mount your panel, you need to choose the suitable part and attach it to the panel. The next thing you're going to need to do is unscrew the cap, which covers the on-off button, the mode button and the USB-C port. You can charge the lights via the USB-C port with the included USB-C cable. This light comes with a single 18650 battery. You can add one more battery to double your total charge if you so wish. You can find these batteries on our website, thesolarcentre.co.uk. Before you flip the on-off switch to on, you will need to attach the 5-pin light connector to the panel. You can switch between standard mode or power saving mode. We recommend using power saving mode in the darker months. Simply toggle the mode button to switch between the two modes. The dial on the back will indicate the brightness level. 100% is standard mode and 50% is power saving mode. These lights do have a dusk sensor, which means they'll turn on automatically when it gets dark. If I cover the panel, you can see the light will turn on. This product is made from toughened plastic and has an ice-like finish. The Santa figurine is holding up retro bulbs in the colours red, green and yellow. This light is the perfect addition to your outdoor Christmas display. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It really does make a difference. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.